Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking quick, effective actions. Check for pending Windows updates and install them now, because many search crashes are fixed in cumulative patches. Once done, open Task Manager and restart Explorer. EXE, then locate Search Host or Search UI and restart that process too. This clears hung instances. Make sure to have a restore point or backup before continuing, since next steps change system files and services. These initial steps often resolve the problem without advanced edits. Next, repair core components so you address corrupt files. Open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix system images. This repairs damaged search binaries. After that, reset the Windows Search optional feature from settings to force fresh registry and service defaults. Finally, rebuild the search index in indexing options to restore accurate search results. Do these steps in sequence, because file repairs support a successful reset and a clean index rebuild. For persistent crashes, reinstall or re-register Windows Search using elevated PowerShell commands to remove and add the package, which replaces broken components. If that fails, create a new local user to determine whether the problem is profile-specific. If Search works there, migrate data, not settings. Make sure to check Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor for precise error codes and faulting modules. That diagnostic info guides targeted fixes or driver updates. If you see repeated faults, gather logs before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.